Alright guys, what's up? It's Jared. I got some really good, valuable content today. This is some new stuff I figured out. Always learning more about the Facebook algorithm as I do more, as I run more accounts, just sometimes falling into these things and learning them accidentally, or from other YouTubers because I'm in those, or from Facebook groups, or God knows what. Anyways, guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to stop the zero, views type thing that's been going on. But before we do that, guys, you guys know I do run Facebook automation accounts, so please hit me up for that. And I do have a special. I do have a special running right now. Well, where I will actually throw in a free Etsy account and run that for you 100% free because that's new right now and it's in beta testing. So I need more accounts to run. So if you hit me up for Facebook automation, I will run your Etsy automation as well just for free and throw that in there. I've done already $1,000 in a little over a week on Etsy sales just in my store, so I know I can just do the same process on yours and start running your Etsy account. I don't know why I never thought to do Etsy automation a while ago, but whatever, or Etsy dropshipping in general. If not, guys, I can get your store completely run for you. I've done it for many people. I train an assistant in the Philippines. They go through our boot camp, and that's a 5-day boot camp, at least, depending on their skills. And we run them through order processing, product research, order fulfillment, anything that they need to do, accounting, they learn it all. But anyways, I'm going to get into the 0 views fix with you guys. So this is an easy fix. If you're not getting views, something happened when your account got suspended or your account hasn't been suspended and you're newly selling, whatever it is, we need to get your sales back up, or you just want to give your sales a boost. I don't suggest doing this too much because Facebook's algorithms are very smart and they catch on to these things. So anytime I give you a trick, don't abuse it, guys. And I don't just say that so you don't make too many sales. I say that because do these things in moderation and you will have success. I don't teach you how to make millions. I teach you how to make thousands of dollars in passive income. Anyways, guys, also I forgot to mention I have my free Facebook course for dropshipping. If you're new and you want to learn dropshipping in general, that's a great course for you guys. All right, so one of the things you can do is you can actually go back and delete all your listings. Go back and delete all your listings, especially the ones that have 0 views, and then relist items in a different location. Super simple. Something turns on with Facebook's algorithm, and then boom. So that's one of the best ways we found to reset your account and start getting views again. It's as simple as that. It all has to do with the algorithms. And yeah, and then the next thing I want to talk about, and I'm going to actually leave the next trick to get more views for my next video, so I can get some more subscribers. Because I'm going to ask you guys to like, subscribe, and comment. Please subscribe. I'm going to show you guys more tricks and how to get more views. So changing the location, that is one for you guys now. I don't ask you guys to pay me money. I just ask for subscriptions, comments, and likes. I really like when you guys email me, DM me, whatever, and I get in touch with you guys and hop on calls. That's always fun. I learn about other people's businesses. They learn about mine. I can show you my results, show you my sales on multiple accounts. It's pretty crazy stuff. I can show you if you call me late at night because my team in the Philippines starts working around 7 or 8 p.m. Eastern, 7, 8, 9 p.m. Eastern, and I can show you them working real time, what they do. It's awesome stuff, guys. It's real. I'm as real as it gets. I charge the least for automation out of anyone. It's disgusting what some of these people charge. In order for you to make your money back, I don't think you can with some of these guys in year one. I don't see it. At least from what they're charging you and like still make money. It's just, I've seen guys charge upwards of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,000. It's just outrageous. Another thing I wanted to come here and talk about is I was able to just get a car I've always wanted, and it's all thanks to dropshipping. So I'll be showing that car in my next video. I just ordered it on Vroom, so it should come in like 10 to 14 days. So I'm just super excited. A lot of cool things in the works. A lot of opportunities to have financial freedom at a young age. I'm 21. I got a semester left of college, and making lots of money. So like, what more can I ask for, right? Anyways, guys, Again, please, please, please like, subscribe, and comment. I gave you my one trick for today, and there will be many more to come. Peace, guys.